Okay, now we've done, let me just get my iPad back again. Now we've done our advanced search for the famous person that you chose. You've probably got lots of information about their achievements. And what we want to do is to record that information or place that information in a place that we can use later on. So I've got my achievements here, and I've selected a website which has got some information about Spider-Man, and I've clicked on the link. It's this one with Rocket Swag, which is here. Look, it's got a Spider-Man biography, and I actually want to I want to select some of that text and keep some of that text. So I'm just going to select by clicking on the screen. Hopefully it will allow me to select the text. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to copy that section there about his only weakness. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to minimize the screen and go and search. Now in iOS 7 you search by swiping downwards, but in iOS 6 you search by swiping across from the left to the right. So I'm just going to search for something called notes, and we're going to put that information into a new note. You can see I've already got some notes there, so I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to call it Spider-Man's achievements. Spider-Man's achievements, not man's achievements. Hit return. And I'm going to press the screen and wait for that symbol and then paste. Now you can see I've got that achievement there, but what I want to do though is I want to put the URL, the hyperlink that that website came from, so that I can later on I can go back to it if I want to do that. So I'm just going to go back to my website, and it's disappeared, which is interesting. So let's so it's loading back again, and I'm just going to click on that and copy it. So I'm going to copy that and swipe and go back to my when you do the swipe, that's a multiple finger swipe, and then I'm going to click and wait and then paste it so that I've got my URL. So what I want you to do is to go and collect all of those achievements for the particular person that you have chosen. And then what's cool about Notes is that you can then email that to yourself. So my button here may be different to yours, but you can actually find the button which is on your iOS 6, and you click on Mail and it will open up Mail, and I'm going to email that to brta@patna.ac.th, already in the subject there. Obviously you need to collect more information than what I've got about your person, and then email it to yourself, because later on in this course we're going to create an ebook based upon the person that you have selected. So I'm just going to click send and let that go. And what you can see actually as well, it's nice because in the note it's recognized that that's a URL, and it's taking me it's a hyperlink back to the original site. So collect as much information as you can, put it into a note, and then email it to yourself. If you have time, you can if you ask Miss Colette will show you about the ebook as well. Maybe you want to do a search on your iPad for ebooks and start the ebook in the lesson if you have time. Once again, apologies I couldn't be with you, but hopefully you found these videos useful. And if we go back to the learning question, which was here, hopefully now you can use complex search tools to find out what people have achieved. One last thing, I just want to go back to my Air server, because what you can do is in the Google search, so let's just go back to Google again, google.co.uk. There's a couple of other little things that you can do. You just have to wait for my iPad to figure it out. one thing that you can do, you can actually search. So if I type in site and then colon, there's colon, we can search specifically for on a particular site. So if I find out, if I go to patina.ac.th, now Google will only search things in Bangkok Pattana School. So now if I type in my name, Brian Taylor, it'd be interesting to see. So this is searching my name on Bangkok Pattana School. Let's click on search and see if it finds anything. There you go, it's picked up my name all at Bangkok Pattana School. And another advanced search that we can do, we can type in file type, and let's say if I want to find anything, a PDF document, let's say, let's do PDF. So I'm searching now for everything at Bangkok Pattana School with my name in, which is a PDF. So let's click on that and see what comes up. And you can see now it's all just PDF. There's not very many. In fact, I'm going to type in JPEG and see if that picks up anything, because that will actually find photos of me if it's got. So it's not, that one's not worked because it's not searching that particular site. So let's just go back to PDF again. I'm wondering actually what happens if I click on images now to see if there's anything that comes up, pictures of me. And there you go, look, there are some pictures of me from Bangkok Pattana School. So interesting that you can do maybe you want to do the same thing with your name and see whether or not you can find images of yourself from Bangkok Pattana School. This one was when I did the Bangkok Marathon some time ago. You can see the image isn't very clear there, and now it's clear, and I look a lot younger there, don't I? A lot less grey hair. That was many, many years ago. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lesson.